What's up, tubers? We're going with the chesty mount to start with. And I got the media mod on. Oh, I need to check to see which microphone I have on there. Probably got the wrong one. Anyways, today's going to be a special day in about 27 miles. Can you see what I'm seeing? Yeah, I'm 27 miles, or about one battery away from the 1K club. Almost lost my phone. Look at that. I was not completely prepared for that. Okay, let's take a quick look. Are we recording? 86. 14 more miles. Man, I'm cutting it close. 999 miles. And I'm about a little bit more than a mile from the house. I think. Oh yeah, easy more than a mile. I tried to time it right. Photobomb. Alright, let's take a quick look. 999. Can you see it? I need to pee too. I think I see 4 digits. I think I see 4. Yep, there it is. Bingo. Oh, 1K. 1K. Got no juice on the battery. Don't know how long this will last. Okay, 1K at the Magpullian barn. September 20, whatever Friday is. 1,000 miles. September 25th, 2020. All right, man. How many miles you got? Leave it in the comments. See ya.